Hey, what's up, people? It's me, Matty D of A1 Solutions Group, here with a video today on can you negotiate the interest rate on your credit cards? The answer is you can. I've been asked this, I got some information on it. Here's the thing. I'm gonna say this first, and I'll get right into this. People are funny when it comes to getting like lower interest rates on loans, the best deals, whatever. It's like people seem to forget that you have to qualify. You have to bring the evidence to say here's why I can get this offer, here's why my wish is justifiable because of X, Y, and Z. People don't do this, particularly in dating. That's a whole new topic I won't go into right now. But in order to negotiate with your credit company or companies, all right, it's going to require that you have a credit score of a 670 or higher. Again, 670 or higher. And if you're not there, hey, something to aspire to, something to aim for, because if you don't try this at least, you're going to spend a lot of money giving money to credit card companies and not get anything back in return. So as I'm looking at my notes, the other thing too is this. You need to have good, positive, on-time payment history with the lender, creditor, bank, okay? On time for at least 12 months. The longer the better, okay? You need to have that. So if you're drowning in debt and you want this stuff to work, higher credit score the better. Make sure your payment history is on point because they will look back at that. Now, if you have a new credit card that you just opened, not so much, give it time to build, all right? Now, the other thing is that if you have you got the credit score, you got the payment history, you want to reference, if possible, any other offers that you've been getting in the mail, okay? Reference them, do not threaten. Threatening, and this is the rule, people, look, when I've talked to people nice on the phone, oh my God, the things they do for you, it's like it opens the doors you're not aware of that are there. When you're just an asshole on the phone, they really just don't care, and they'll tell you just enough to get you off. Whether you're nice and you're look, this is what I need, they will work with you. So just be nice. Say, hey, I got some other offers. Here's what they offer me. I really like you guys. I've been with you a while. I want to stay with you. Can we negotiate a rate? And just ask. Just ask, okay? Don't threaten. Just ask that question. Now, here's the other thing too. If you have multiple credit cards, all right, go with the one obviously that they've been with the longest. Start there, and that one has the highest interest rate. That's even better. Start with the one that they've been with the longest. Now, not all of them will say yes. Not all will say yes, and that's okay. All right, the very minimum. Start with one. They say no. Move on to the next. Okay. And if they all say no to you, okay, then try again in another 6 to 12 months. All right, because the other reason is they may not be able to right now, given where our economy is right now, things like that, okay? So you can do that. If anything, also ask for a temporary reduction in interest. Again, be nice. Say, look, I've been with you guys. I like, I like what you've done for me. I want to stay with you. I need some help. Please, can you, temporarily reduce my interest? This way, as you make these payments, you have more of the payment going towards the actual balance, the principal, versus interest. Follow? Okay, here you go. So, to recap, it's going to help you really great if you already have a good credit score. All right, 670 or higher, at least minimum 12 months of on-time payment history. All right, you've been on them for a long time, and you're offering, when you call in, just be nice, reference any offers you have. Don't threaten. Please don't threaten. And and not everyone's going to say yes. This is fine. Go on to the next one. If you all say no, all right, try again in 6-12 months. All right. And then if anything else, just at least ask for a temporary reduction in interest. It helps save you money. The other thing too is this. Watch out for this too, okay? You're on here just to negotiate the interest rate down. That's your goal. If they then ask you, say, well, we're at it, let's try, increase let's look into increasing your credit line, just say no. Because what it's going to do is that at that point you're authorizing them to do a hard pull on your credit to then increase credit line. Just let it be. Don't do that. Your goal is to negotiate the interest rate down. This keeps more money in your pocket and helps you with your finance in general and with your credit too. So with that being said, that's it. Short and sweet, to the point. Put your questions below, comments. What else do you want to know? What would you like to see? Let me know. It's not a one-way conversation. It's a two-way street. With that being said, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next video. Peace.